Hello, I'm Yok Boon. Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share with you on how to create advanced auto filter in another worksheet without using VBA. Okay. So before I begin, I'd like to show you what is auto filter, the advanced one. That means it's either now we have 2430. We filter by 24 700. So let's say we delete 24, so we have all the 700 come here. So if let's say we delete the 700, that means it gives us all the lists from the stock. So that means you see the stock is 25800. I only use until 30. So 25800 910. You see here 25800 190. That means it is like the original data, unfiltered one. Okay. So if let's say I put here back 23, so it will give a 23. Then I give back let's say 800, so it will give this. So this is called auto filter. That means the concept is without a VBA. It is fully using the Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so how we going to do this? We go here. Okay, this is a blank one. Okay, we go to here first. Okay, now we set up the data here. That means it's like the raw data you have before filter. Okay, usually your filter like that. That means when we filter here, the data still maintain in the using Excel one. The data still maintain at the stock sheet. It cannot go so that means we want it to go to other sheet. Okay, whereby we can reuse for other Excel formula. That means the range here becomes an active range. Okay, then once we set up here, we come here. Okay, for here we want to set up the stock here. That means we have 23 to 25. We can set up the validation. That means go to then we put the list here. So we just put 23 comma 24 comma 25. Okay, so we have, then we let's say we select 23. Okay, then here we put same data validation by list. So here we put here 600 comma 700 comma 800. Okay, we can put here by 800. Okay, so this one, if let's say you have a lot of data, you don't want to use the data validation, also can, you just can type in only. Okay, so once we complete this, then we go to the computation. Okay, how to do it? So here we have to link here. Okay, this is the first link, then the second link we put here. Okay, now we have that means this auto filter sheet, the control point is already linked to here for Excel to do the computation. Okay, so the first step is we put equal this one join with this one. Okay, enter. Okay, so that means we have this. That means it becomes the two parameter become one parameter. Okay, similarly for this one, we have to join this one equal. We join the stock level also. This one join with this one. Okay, then we copy all the way blank. We have, okay, let's say we have 30, we just copy to any more, slightly more is okay. Okay, and I mean you can copy if your size depends on the size, because we only use 30, we copy to slightly, okay, never mind. Okay, let's say then the second step is to pinpoint the this combine, the start one must be equal to this, so it's pinpoint the row position. So we use equal if this one equal this one. So since you want to copy down, we put log it, F4 key to log, comma, if this one, then we use the row. Sorry, I mean it's a row. That means this row means it is 2. So we will give answer row 2, comma, if not, you will give a blank, enter. So it's a blank. So we just double click to copy down. Oh. Okay, so that means you have only this 6 and 8 position. You see 2380, 23800. Okay, so that means 6 and position 8 only the position. Okay, but the position shown here is not in a fixed situation. It is in random situation. So we want to do it, we do compress. So to do that, we use a small function, small ray, click down here. Okay, and comma. So we want the smallest, we use a row function again, row row. So row this one, because this one at this is level C2. Okay, that means it's row 2, it will return value 2, but we want the smallest, that is 1, we have to minus 1, then we close, enter. Okay, so number 6. Okay, since we want to copy down, we log it, log the range. Okay, then we copy, we double click to copy down. Okay, so there's error, we have to do blanking. To do blanking, we use if error. Okay, open bracket. That means if this one is error, return blank, else it will return back the formula answer. Okay, then we copy again. You see it's blank again. Okay. Okay. Now we want to pull the data based on this stock. Okay. Then we just go here. Then we copy this one. Copy. Okay. Then we go here. Okay. Then to do this, we use HLOOKUP. HLOOKUP for the thickness in this range, and okay, let's say you copy to 100. Okay, you can type in 1000, comma, then this row, back arrow, comma, exact mesh, enter. Okay, since we want to copy down, we have to use to log this one, and log the column. Okay, enter. So we copy here, and we okay, reference means we didn't do the error blanking. So to do that, this is reference, because this one don't have value, it becomes error. See here don't have value, so we do error blanking. Click here, if error, if this one error, give back blank. If not, give back the formula answer. Okay, so now we have already. Okay, so now we return back, link back to the auto filter. So equal this one. Okay, then we copy here, and we copy down. Okay, when that means this one is over allocation already from the size, and we delete it. Okay, okay, now we have 23, 800. Okay, so now we test run. Okay, we select 24, so we give the 24. We select the 700, 24, 700. If let's say we delete 700, disappear, gone, because it didn't perform. That means it performed only the one side. Let's say we delete here, also become gone. Then delete here, come. So this one is not working when there's. I mean it's doing both, because we use and we doing both. Okay. So to avoid this, we have to do some changes in the computation. Okay. So to make the changes, we have to go here. Okay. Now we have to change this connection. That means this one 0 0 becomes 0. Because this one blank, this one becomes 0. It just take the value 0. So we go here, we have to make some changes. Equal, no, we put a if statement. If this one equal 0, then you will return blank. Else you will return the A1. Okay, so for the other side, it's the same. If this one equal 0, you will return blank, else you will return the answer. Okay, now we enter. So now it's blank. Okay, so similarly for this one, we have to do some changes. Here we go here. If this one equal blank 0, sorry, comma, return blank, else return the stock value here, close bracket. So similarly for this one, if this one equals 0, comma, return blank, else return the value b. Okay. So now enter. So it's blank already. Okay, blank, blank. So that means it didn't show. It will highlight row number 2. You see? Okay, now since we want to copy down from this, right? You see? So we have to lock A1 and C1. Okay, we lock. Use S4 key to lock. Similarly for this one, F4 key to lock. Enter. So we already have blank. I mean we click all blank. So that means when all blank, the result come out. So once the result come out, just now earlier we already link. We go back here, all come out. See? So the 0 is because we have extra extra allocation for the stock here, just now the copy. Okay, so if let's say, so that one is not so important as long you know. Okay, so to test the thing, okay, we just go back here, put 24, so it comes 24. So we put 700, so it comes the 700. So we delete the 24, so it give you the 700. Okay, then let's say you select the 600, you give you the 600. So you select 25, it give you 25. Oh, that means there's no 25 600. You must. That means yes, 700. Okay. This is how we do the advanced auto filter in another sheet. That means it's either this one. So I show to you is for two parameter. You can do as many parameter as you like. It's only how to join only. Use this sign, ampersand sign to join. And with the if I 0 or 1. This is how we do. And same for this. Same for this. Okay? Okay. Once complete, you want to log it. Don't want let people touch. You just go here. You go to here. Allow user. And new. Then OK. Then OK. Then we go to log. Okay, so that means when I do any changes here, that's not what I can do here. I can delete here. I can delete here. Okay. Okay, so that's how we create advanced auto filter in another sheet. Okay. Before we go, thank you.